Hello everyone, this is Saurav from Turing. Today I'm going to show you a different machine. So first I'm going to show you some sample, and if you're still facing printing problem and baking soup problem in your industry, then this is the right machine for you. You can see the sample. So perfectly shaped and baking and printing and cutting. And here you can see color belting printing. So it will fade after some times, but this laser printing, the word, the marking won't fade at all. So this is the perfect machine for your industry right now if you're still facing this type of problem. So I'm going to show you how it works. Here you can see our printing tube. My name is already printed on the tube and our company's name on the tube. You can see this is the feeding part. This is the feeding roller. For different shape of tube, you just need a different shape, different size of iron plate. For this one, you need this one. For the small size tube, you just need to change the plate from here. And we can make two of size together in the plate. So if we can do it according to your requirement, okay? So you can see there is a monitor and all of this is English version. You can easily operate. You can print anything you want. If you want to print your name, just use your keyboard and use your mouse and write it down. If you want your company's logo or company's QR code, just write it, load it, and just print it. It is so easy to use. The plate diameter is right now is 20 millimeter and the cable's diameter is 30 millimeter. If you need a different shape or different size of cable or longer tube or smaller tube, just you need to change the plate. So without this iron plate, you don't need to change anything. Your brand name or name on your tube, write this like this. You can see. All you need to just put your file or edit in the monitor. It's all English version. So it is so easy. It will save your manual labor cost and it will save your money also. So why you are using the old one? You should change the machine. You should change with our machine. So this machine will save your labor cost, the material cost, and it is also environment sustainable. So with this machine, you can help your environment and make it more sustainable. So this is all for today. This is Saurav from Turing and like it and share the video.